Welcome to Travel Hacks 101, 10 genius tips to maximize your adventures. In this video, we're going to share with you some invaluable insights and ingenious hacks that will take your travel experiences to a whole new level. Whether you're a seasoned globetrotter or a first-time explorer, these tips are bound to revolutionize the way you approach your journeys. Hey, want to unlock your inner wisdom? Like and subscribe to Wisdom Pill for your daily dose of knowledge. Who knows? Maybe one day you'll be the smartest being in the universe or even unlock superpowers.
Just do it!
Because only time will tell what the future holds.
Nothing is impossible!
Tip number 1, mastering the art of packing. Instead of cramming your suitcase with unnecessary items, opt for versatile clothing pieces that can be mixed and matched. Roll, don't fold, to save space, and invest in packing cubes to keep everything organized and easily accessible. Tip number 2, harness the power of travel apps. From flight tracking to language translation, there are a plethora of apps available that can streamline your travel experience. Download them ahead of time and make sure they're fully functional before you hit the road. Tip number 3, immerse yourself in the local cuisine. Don't be afraid to try new dishes and explore the flavors of the region. Ask locals for recommendations and venture beyond touristy areas for authentic culinary experiences that will leave your taste buds in awe. Tip number 4, consider off-peak travel times. Avoiding peak seasons not only means fewer crowds and lower prices, but also a more intimate connection with your chosen destination. You'll get a chance to see popular sites in a whole new light. Tip number 5, learn basic phrases in the local language. Even just a few words like hello and thank you can go a long way in building rapport with locals and showing respect for their culture. Tip number 6, embrace sustainable travel practices. Minimize your environmental impact by opting for eco-friendly accommodations, using public transportation, and supporting local businesses that prioritize sustainability. Tip number 7, seek out hidden gems. While iconic landmarks are a must-see, don't be afraid to wander off the beaten path. You'll discover charming spots, breathtaking vistas, and cultural treasures that often go unnoticed by the masses. Tip number 8, take a digital detox. While staying connected is important, don't let your devices dominate your travel experience. Set aside dedicated offline time to fully immerse yourself in the moment and appreciate the beauty around you. Tip number 9, invest in travel insurance. It may seem like an extra expense, but it's a safety net that can provide peace of mind in case of unforeseen circumstances. From trip cancellations to medical emergencies, having the right coverage can make all the difference. Tip number 10, reflect and capture memories. Take time to journal your experiences and snap photos that truly encapsulate the essence of your journey. These mementos will not only serve as cherished keepsakes but also inspire future adventures. And there you have it, folks. 10 genius tips to maximize your adventures. Remember, the heart of travel lies in the journey itself. So go forth, explore, and create memories that will last a lifetime. Safe travels.